Alright, so we're getting ready to install a new exhaust on my 2006 Ford F250 6.0 diesel. I decided to go with the MBRP exhaust after reading through a bunch of shit. That's the one that seemed like it was the most cost effective and the easiest to install and had the best reviews, it seemed like, overall after comparing them all. So I went with the all stainless off-road for my truck. So we're doing the catalytic converter delete and the muffler delete on it, and we're just going to have it straight pipe. So I did some before shots of the way it sounded, and we're going to do some after shots. I'll probably put the before shots before it shows me putting the exhaust on, and do the after shots after, and hopefully everything goes pretty easy. From what I have read, the hardest part is taking off the factory exhaust. So if all goes well, hopefully I'll have this thing on sometime in the next few hours. So here's what I got with the kit. Got it all in box to come in one big box. Had all the muffler component, or the exhaust components, and then I had a tip that I ordered over there, and here it all is laid out in the back of my truck. So you can see the tip I got, it's a 5-inch tip, so that's pretty badass, I think. Hangers and clamps and instructions. So I'm going to get this stuff laid out, make sure everything fits together like it's supposed to, and as long as everything fits on this new pipe like it's supposed to, I'm going to start cutting the old system off. Alright, so we put everything together, and it all fits like it's supposed to. I got all my brackets, so that's good. We dropped the spare tire from out of there, and now we're going to get started on the destruction. Alright, so I found something out the hard way. Here is, let me get it back together here. This is the flange that goes around the turbo. And I took the nut all the way off so I could expand it out more. And this bolt came out and went behind my goddamn engine. And I just spent about an hour and a half digging around for this son of a bitch. And called around this, at least all the auto parts stores around me, like AutoZone and O'Reilly and all of them. They all told me this is a dealer part. And I called the dealer, and I wasn't going to be able to get the son of a bitch until tomorrow, and it was going to cost me $25 just because I needed this little fucking bolt. So anyway, just so you know, if you take that little nut all the way off, this could fall out, and you could end up in the same son of a bitchin' problem that I had. So I got it back. Now I get to put the son of a bitch back together. Thank God. And I'm going to hold on to this with my dear life when I put it back together. Alright, this is my Ford F250 with the stock exhaust. Alright, here is my F250 6.0 diesel with the new 4-inch turbo back exhaust, no catalytic converter, and no muffler.